I really need you to listen to this track. Like, I really need you to listen.
No. We are not we're not listening
it's in a mixtape. It's in a mixtape, alright? It's a rap beef.
Wait, a rap beef? Wait. Between who?
And Drake got himself in some fire this
Drake's
time.
in another rap beef? Who's in a rap beef with?
With Pusha T.
Pusha T? It seems kind of like an odd rap beef, don't you think?
I bet you if you give me this aux chord right here and right now, it won't sound so odd when you hear it.
Alright, man. Here's the aux chord. Let me know what you were. Let me see what this beef's all about.
Sophie knows better as your baby mother. Cleaned her up for IG, but the stench is on her. A baby's involved, it's deeper than rap. We talking character, let me keep with the facts. You are hiding a child, let that boy come home. Deadbeat motherfucker playing border patrol. Ooh, Adonis is your son, and he deserves more than an Adidas press run. That's real. Love that baby, respect that girl. Forget she's a porn star, let her be your world. Yeah. How dare you put yay in my verses? I'm selfish, I want all of the curses. I'm pre-booking the churches, me versus 3 hearses. If we all go to hell, it'll be worth it. Already aligned with the greats. And on that same note, the only ones I chase are through ghosts. Still get.
How do I say goodbye to what?
Nah, Drake gotta fight him. He gotta fight him. He gotta. He straight up buried Drake. Pusha T straight up buried Drake.